मैं सुनैना गुप्ता। मनोरंजन के आश्रम में स्पॉट हुए सेलेब्स, कब, कहां और कैसे नहीं बच पाए कैमरे की दुनिया से।
द स्ट्रेंजर इन द मिरर के बुक लॉन्च पर पहुंची राकेश मेहरा संग मृणाल ठाकुर। इंडस्ट्री को रंग दे बसंती तथा दिल्ली 6 और भाग मिल्खा भाग जैसे शानदार फिल्में देने वाले राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा की नई पुस्तक द स्ट्रेंज इन द मिरर का बुक लॉन्च किया गया, जिसका हिस्सा बनी अभिनेत्री मृणाल ठाकुर। कई सुपरहिट फिल्मों जैसे सुपर 30 व हिंदी धारावाहिकों में शानदार अभिनय कर चुकी हैं। रीटा रामामूर्ति गुप्ता इस पुस्तक की सह लेखिका हैं। मृणाल ठाकुर बुक लॉन्च पर एक पीले रंग के पैंट सूट पहने पोनीटेल में नजर आईं। इवेंट के सवाल के जवाब में मृणाल ने कहा कि वे भविष्य में फिल्म में स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन का किरदार निभाना बेहद पसंद करेंगी। वे खुद भी मार्शल आर्ट्स की खिलाड़ी रह चुकी हैं। मृणाल को पानी से डर लगता है तो वे ऐसी राकेश जी की बनाई हुई फिल्म में काम करना चाहेंगी जिसमें वे उनका पानी का डर भगा सके। मृणाल ने अपनी तूफान के भी कई एक्सपीरियंस को भी सभी के साथ शेयर किया। उन्होंने बताया कि उन्होंने अपने पिता के सपने को अपना सपना समझ फिल्मी दुनिया में कदम रखा। मृणाल ने कहा कि राकेश जी वह व्यक्ति हैं जिन्होंने मुझे मेरे अंदर के कलाकार से मिलाया है। राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा भी बताया कि वह सिर्फ कुछ गिनी चुनी पुस्तकों पढ़ना पसंद करते हैं जिनमें उन्हें उनके काम की चीजें मिल जाती हैं। गुलजार साहब, दिनकर जी, शरद जी, रामधारी जी की किताबें पढ़ना बेहद पसंद है। बच्चों की कॉमिक्स बुक भी उन्हें पढ़ना पसंद है, वही उन्हें आगे लिखने की प्रेरणा देती है। अपने फिल्मी करियर को बात करते हुए मृणाल तथा राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा ने बुक का कवर हटाते हुए बुक लॉन्च की तथा अपने रीडर्स को बुक पर ऑटोग्राफ भी दिए। सभी ने मीडिया को पोस्ट देते हुए बुक लॉन्च को आगे बढ़ाया।
Whom I have known her personally, since many years now. So, and congratulations once again, a huge round of applause. Thank you. It's really good to, have so.
Rakesh sir, Mrinal, thank you so much for being here today. We are here to discuss the book The Stranger in the Mirror, which is a memoir of the life and the cinema that Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra ji has made. And I think that it's only right that we start with something that's very close to our hearts, which is the Olympics and sports that has just gone by, right? I think we've had our best performance ever, 7 medals. And Bhag Milkha Bhag was one of Rakesh ji's films, was one of the first sports biopics that the country has ever seen. And Rakesh ji, do you believe that cinema on sports, has an impact on, the society, the culture, and the way people behave when they see someone successful on the big screen?
Yeah, hi, good morning, good afternoon, actually. Thank you for coming, and this is amazing. This is after a long time we are witnessing. I remember we were doing the marketing rounds for Tufan just last month, and it was all virtual, virtual. It was never one-to-one. So we had forgotten how it feels like. The energy in a room is totally different. And so thank you so much for that. Sports, I think first is the greatest event, Olympics. Nothing can be bigger than that as far as sports is concerned. And what was very special for us, beside the 7 medals, I think we need to do much better, not be satisfied with 7 with a country of such talent, depth, size, population, is that the women stood out. Now that's a huge statement for our country. And I think it will be very simple if we just hand over our country to the women and the men should just take a back seat and retire. It will make things very easier and faster. And each story of each of those girls out there is incredible. I've tried to know as much I can in my limited way. They all fought major obstacles in their neighborhood, within their family, in the society. supported by their loved ones, not supported by their loved one, but it just kept them going. Uh, who have stood out are the winners, but there are many more stories. There's Duti Chand out there who didn't make it, and her story is incredible. And the list just goes on and on. So there's a huge learning curve for our country, is to now not finally, I think the girl power should take a bow, and we have to acknowledge that, and not just in words, in action. So that was the real standout point for me. And sports, तो sports होता है. If you look at any evolved society in the world, culturally, economically, socially, politically, countries you see is France, Germany, Japan, USA, China now. All are great sporting nations. So there is a connection there. It's not in my head. There's a definite connection. And countries which turn around. And it's yeah, something like that.
Mrinal, of course, picking up from here, and you are a mixed martial arts exponent yourself. Do you see yourself playing a sports person sometime soon? Given that, yeah, he said more women in Olympics.
Rita and sir, thank you for making me a part of this event. Thank you guys for coming, and I'm really happy to have a conversation with you, like one-on-one. Yes, of course, I would love to be a part of a film where I am a sports person. You know, I can't wait to actually, because and also like the way. Thank you to Rakesh sir for writing Ananya. I think she's amazing, not because she's vulnerable, but because there's, you know, she's so strong, and we really need women like Ananya. And even in future films that I do, I want to be somebody who's mentally strong, and something that people have, like we meet a lot of girls in our real life, and they're the heroes, you know. Like, having said that, yes, I'm waiting for sir to give me a script where I get to play either, you know, I would love to be a swimmer because I'm hydrophobic. And I was reading the book, and I read that sir's son was mentioning that how he just pushed him into the pool without any notice while he was 3. And I really need a director like Rakesh sir who could just like push me in that pool or in that ocean. And I just want to like get rid of my fear. And so probably I can, like, sir, if you're making a film like that, I would love to be a part of it.
Most certainly, homework to mil gaya, chalo. I was without a job now. I have now one. No, incredible. And I think, Mrinal, you are already a part of a very important sports film. And you are the main protagonist in the film. You know, along with Farhan, of course. And you are the main mover. You are the voice of the film. You're the soul of the film. For the uninitiated who haven't seen Tufan yet, how many of us have seen Tufan? Sorry. Okay, this is great, actually. Oh, wow. Yeah. I've never had such a reaction on any of my film, that more than 50% of the house has seen it. Yes, over time, I'm sure we'll all catch it. So for the ones who haven't seen the film, it's about making the right choices in life. And all of us always have choices. And this has been written in our Puranas and the Vedas always. And that's the beauty, is they've never preached you. They've always given you a choice, and then you have to choose. And that's Mrinal's character in the film, called Ananya Prabhu. Ananya Prabhu is a doctor. She's independent, she's confident, she has a voice. And how she molds the life of a street fighter, a goon, you know, a gang member of a bhai. And she sees the fire in him, and she channelizes him into becoming a great a boxer, a sportsman. and a national champion who has potential to go out uh, and win more laurels for the country also. It's a very heart-rending film. Also, it is not so simple for her. It is not just uh, showing somebody the path. She also is fighting her own demons and her own war of bias and prejudice in what the society faces at large. So it was not an easy role, Mrinal, and I'm so glad that you accepted to be a part of it. And today, no, it's not in that way, but the universe conspires. I think the right thing happens to all of us, always if we stay positive. So you're already part of a sports film, another sports film?
Yes, another I want to do, but Rita, I have
She's
to
greedy,
mention,
yeah.
I am very greedy. I'm very selfish when it comes to an actor. But trust me, Rita, when I was on the movie set, you know, on Tufan when we were filming, and I'm a big fan of real locations, and so he himself is. You know, he told me one thing that Mrinal, that's your playground. Just go play, just go act. He never told me what I'm supposed to do, and that's what I love about him. If he felt like I was little distracted or I was going little off track, he would always be like, Ani, let's do it this way. I was like, okay, and
nice.
that's the most beautiful thing about Sir. And trust me, I cannot get enough. I mean, I just feel like, you know, even though the journey Tufan, we've stopped, we're not filming anymore. I just want to go back on sets, and I literally am having the hangover of, you know, I'm missing my set so much, and I can't wait for Sir to make Tufan 2, or where I'm actually in the ring this time.
Amazing. So that's two sports-based films from Rakesh ji, of course, Bhag Milka Bhag and Tufan. And that's about the success. But in the book, you know, what's interesting and what we've done is gone to the story behind the stories, right? And there is a part of your struggle and your early days where he was, you know, sleeping in a room with 16 people. And, you know, everyone has that. I think every artist, you know, has that struggle, and that shapes you. And that also fires you up in so many ways to do so much better. Mrinal, any high point of your struggle that you'd like to share with us? Because
So my family had moved to Kerala, and I was staying here in a hostel. And I really did not enjoy the hostel life. Trust me. I used to dream that one day I'll just like have a house of my own, and I really worked towards it. And the progress, it took like a lot of time, but it happened, and I knew that one day I'm going to make that difference. To appear in front of camera and to appear on television was like a big task, because coming from a Maharashtrian background, from a family who was not really comfortable with me being an artist, being an actor, it was difficult to convince them. But like Mughal-e-Azam changed everything for Sir. For me, it was Three Idiots.
wow.
Yes, so you know, like you see how the characters, they follow their heart, they follow their passion, and पैसे तो क्या है? अगर आपका job, if you enjoy working, if you love doing what I mean, you should just enjoy doing what you really love. So I just followed that, and I made sure that I somehow, I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, but I convinced and I manipulated them to allow me to pursue Bachelor of Mass Media. And then allow me to do, you know, to be an actor. And after the first show, they were so proud of me, because I had a conversation. This was the first time I was having an honest conversation with my family.
आप देख रहे हैं मनोरंजन का आश्रम। स्पोर्ट हुए सेलेब्स को देखने के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ।